Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Kothavarangai usili is a traditional clusterbean lentil recipe, nutritious and yummy. Many of us don't make this often because it takes a long time. This is a very easy method. Soak the lentils and red chillies in hot water. So this reduces the soaking time. Add a little salt and blend coarse without adding water. Heat coconut oil, splatter some mustard seeds, urad dal, red chillies, hing, curry leaves. I'm making a huge quantity for 8 people, so I'm adding 1 kilo cluster bean and some green chillies and cook on a high flame for 4 minutes. Add turmeric powder, adding jaggery is optional, salt, add very little water. Now I've transferred the ground paste to a steamer and I'm placing the steamer in the cooker. Now do not allow the whistle to go off. Cook for 8 minutes on a low flame and switch off the flame. Remember, no whistle. Now let's remove the steaming basket, keep it aside, check the cluster beans, it's cooked well. Now let's transfer it to the mixer jar and pulse it. Now heat it again and add the lentils that we blended. Cook for 3 minutes and switch off the flame. How easy is that? So when are you trying it out? Thank you so much. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Bye for now.